Welcome to this video demonstration of how to register as an essential energy prospective supplier. You'll be able to access this page from the Essential Energy website or through the abstracts in negotiations. Initial registration is required to establish user credentials so you can access your company's specific supplier portal page. The registration process comprises 7 steps. As you can see, we're on step 1 or train stop 1. Each train stop has a different title, so you can be aware of what information may be required. On the company details page, fields marked with an asterisk are mandatory. There are also drop-down boxes where you can choose your preferences. There are optional fields, and you have the ability to add attachments or comments. You will be required to enter an ACN or an ABN number. Essential Energy's preference is for an ABN. You will need to enter your tax country in order to be able to enter your ABN. The contact details on this page will by default become the administrative contact for the supplier registration. That is, the person whom Essential Energy will contact if more information is required. As you can see, these fields have now all been completed. To navigate to the next train stop, you can either click on Train Stop 2 or Next. The contact entered on the previous page has now automatically appeared here. You can see they've been identified as the administrative contact and also to have a user account to access the portal. This information can be edited using the pencil or going to Actions, Edit. For the purposes of this video, one contact will be enough. To progress, click on 3 addresses or click Next to move to the addresses train stop. Enter your address by clicking Create or Actions, Create. There are mandatory fields again, and further fields will open up as some of these are completed. The address also requires a purpose. For this demonstration, I shall select Ordering, Remitting, and Bidding. Link your original contact to this address by going Select and Add. Highlight the contact, click OK, and OK to exit. If you wish to add a second address, click Create Another. This address is now showing, including the purpose. You can edit if required or move on to Train Stop 4, Business Classifications. Business classifications help Essential Energy understand our supplier base. Here, you can select as many classifications as are relevant to your business. Click the plus sign and then access the drop-down. You can choose to use one classification or many. If you have a specific certification that relates to the classification you have chosen, you can enter the information on the right-hand side. You can include attachments if you wish, but this is not mandatory. Moving on, Train Stop 5 is Products and Services. Products and Services train stop will allow you to select the categories of goods and services that your company might wish to bid for Essential Energy. Click on Select and Add. You can use the arrow to access lower level services. You can again select multiple goods or services you may wish to bid for. Tick all relevant boxes and click OK. Train stop 6 is the questionnaires. Essential Energy requires 4 questionnaires be completed. As you can see from the questions, some of them require a single answer with no further responses required. If you choose another option, you are required to go to the next questions. You can navigate through these questions by selecting your answer and then moving to the next questionnaire. Alternatively, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Next section. If you miss a question while answering, you will be prompted to provide a response prior to submitting your registration. There are options throughout this process where you can access a link for more information about the questions. Your radio button responses also allow you to then access attachments. You can add attachments, or put comments in if required. Having completed Train Stop 6 questionnaires, you can then progress to Train Stop 7, which allows you to review all of the information you have previously populated. At any stage through this registration process, you can save for later, in which case you will receive an email with a link to take you back to your original information. Alternatively, you can then click the Register button. The confirmation message you get identifies that your registration has been submitted. Following this, your registration will be reviewed within Essential Energy. In the meantime, you will receive a series of emails which will allow you to create a password and access your company's portal so you can monitor the progress of this review. Should you require any further information, please refer to the user guide for registering as a prospective supplier, which is available from our website, or send an email to suppliers@essentialenergy.com.au. Thank you for watching.